Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some DIY mirror craft and ideas. So here we have someone making a floral mirror design. So she's using clay for this. Very nice. Love the color combinations that she's coming up with. You could do the same color scheme throughout if you wanted to. Like if you wanted to do like pink and white and do it like all the way around your mirror. But I like the multicolors. I think it looks really cool. All right, so next mirror design. Oh, okay. So she's doing multiple mirrors and then adding some like stickers or pictures to them. Oh, this is like very TikTok right now. Very TikTok. All right, so let's move on to the next one. So this one is more of like a wavy mirror design. Wow, now this definitely looks like it took a lot of work. Look how big this mirror is. That is massive. I like the neon color though. It really added some interest to the mirror. Something different, something unique. I don't think I've ever seen this design before. Very cool. All right, so we got a floral mirror here. Okay, so that's like an easy DIY. I think that's kind of cute, like if you had that in the bedroom, you know. Kind of like has like spring vibes to it. I wouldn't want to look at that in the winter. It would kind of make me depressed, seeing all those beautiful flowers. And then we have someone adding some sparkling strips to their mirror design. They did the multi-mirror look once again. Now this is perfect for like creating a statement wall. It looks beautiful. Alright, we got a vanity mirror DIY. So you can just buy like these vanity mirrors like pretty much anywhere and revamp them, you know, put your own spin on it. That'd actually be like a fun little day weekend project, I think. Alright, so she's going to be spray painting hers. Nice gold. Very cool. And like I said, this is a simple project to try out. Very easy, beginner friendly. Okay, so we have a $20 mirror DIY. So they picked up these, what do they call these? Pom-poms. And you know what? I've never seen these reflective ones before. These are really pretty. Okay, so it looks like she's just taking these, putting them around the perimeter of the mirror, and then she also has like some type of lighting here. Oh, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Absolutely amazing. Very cool design. I've never seen that before. And then it looks like we have someone doing an IKEA hack mirror design here. So there's many different ways. We've seen quite a few of them on this channel. But what is new is the fact that she is going in with like the gold color. Usually we see it in black or white. Nice to see it in a different shade. That came out great. And then we got another statement wall. Now you can get these mirrors from Walmart. We actually have them in our basement. And then we have another bling mirror design. Now this is a cool design if you want like some bling and you just want some sparkle. Especially if you have like a beauty room or something. I could totally see this in there. Very nice. So here we have someone else doing a statement wall. Now the easiest way to do this is you paint the wall first all black, and then you, okay, so that's what she's doing. And then you go in and add the mirrors. Very nice. She needs like a little table here. And then some flowers on top. You know, just play around with the decor. A very nice aesthetic. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.